Making money online isn't just for tech geniuses anymore. In fact, there are dozens of beginner-friendly ways to earn from home, without experience, a degree, or even a laptop. In this video, I'll show you the top 10 easiest ways to make money online in 2025, and number 3 might actually surprise you. 1. User testing websites. First up, get paid to test websites and apps. Platforms like User Testing and TryMyUI pay you $10 to $60 per test just for sharing your opinion. No skills, just your voice and honest feedback. 2. Fiverr gigs. Next, Fiverr. You can sell simple services like removing backgrounds, writing bias with ChatGPT, or even just being someone to talk to. People are making $100 a day with just a few basic gigs. 3. Watching videos for cash. Yes, you can make money watching videos. Websites like Inbox, Swagbucks, and Timebucks pay users to binge short clips. It won't make you rich, but it's perfect for passive scrolling. 4. Transcription jobs. Do you have good ears and can type? Try transcription. Websites like Rev and GoTranscript pay between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. Beginners welcome. 5. Selling Canva templates. Design a digital planner once and sell it forever. On Etsy or Gumroad, simple Canva templates like resumes, journals, or birthday cards can earn you passive income. 6. Affiliate marketing with TikTok. Create short faceless TikToks and drop affiliate links in your bio. Tools like Beacons and ClickBank help you earn commissions even with 0 followers to start. 7. Freelance writing with AI. Use ChatGPT to write blogs, product descriptions, or emails. Sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, or to small businesses. Writers are earning $25 to $100 per piece. 8. Sell AI art on Etsy. Midjourney and DALL-E can generate stunning digital art in seconds. People are selling AI art as prints, digital downloads, and even stickers. 9. Teach on Zoom. If you know anything from basic English to how to play guitar, you can tutor online via Zoom. Use platforms like Preply, Cambly, or even WhatsApp. 10. Amazon KDP sell ebooks. Write short ebooks with ChatGPT and sell them on Amazon KDP. No printing, no inventory. Just upload your book and let Amazon do the rest. There's never been an easier time to earn from home. Start with one method and scale from there. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money videos like this.